Nargles. Yes, I see Nargles. Over here we spot a wild Nargle. But when I keep these on, it looks like a normal day. But then like when I take them off, everything looks green.
Really?
Yeah. Hey guys, so today we are going to Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. So then we can go see the new show at Hogsmeade. And just right now, we're just gonna go chill and have some fun in Universal and do some stuff. But I'm with Mom. It's just us two today.
Yay!
Yeah, girls
trip.
Yeah. But today is just like a chill day. We're gonna do some stuff. Owl post, all that stuff.
Ooh, that actually is cool. Everything's like super vibrant.
But then, like when you take it off, everything looks yellow and green and weird.
All right, let's see. Oh yeah, now it's normal. I think I like Luna Vision better.
The Nargle.
I like Luna Vision better.
What?
It's so bright. Oh my gosh, look at it. All right, let's see if you guys can see. Here, come over here. All right, put it up in the sky. Can you guys see that? Is it much brighter? It looks pink. It looks pink.
I want to see if they have a quibbler at the place.
What is that?
A quibbler is a book that Luna Lovegood reads. I haven't gotten to the book and I haven't really gotten more information on Luna Lovegood, so I'm not sure exactly what quibbler is. Just I know a quibbler is what Luna Lovegood reads.
There you go. Tip. You guys know we're staying at Royal Pacific Hotel. Well, Royal Pacific is part of 3 hotels here at Universal Orlando Resort. Royal Pacific, Hard Rock, and Portofino. All 3 of them have this amazing feature called Universal Express. So what is Universal Express? Basically, you use your room key to gain front-of-line access on rides and attractions. That means you get on Gringotts first. That means you get on Spider-Man first. It is amazing. What is even more amazing, when I booked this hotel just a couple days ago, it was $30 more to stay at Royal Pacific versus staying at Cabana Bay or Sapphire Falls. And it includes the Universal Express. So why is that such a big deal? To give you an idea how expensive Universal Express is, right now today it's $90 per person per day to purchase Universal Express. For $30 more, I got it for free my entire vacation. So when you're booking your Universal trip, check out Royal Pacific, Hard Rock, and Portofino. You actually may save more money in the long run by getting those hotels with that special Universal Express.
What's your name?
Hunter.
Hunter, I'm Paul. Nice
Hunter.
This is Shrunken Ed, so you know he's on now.
Does she have Spectre specs on?
She's got some, yeah.
Alright, be honest, how bad is it? How many Nargles can you see?
A lot of Nargles in there.
Am I infested?
10, you got 10 Nargles.
10? Okay, that's not the baddest.
No, I thought it was going to be worse, to be honest. Yeah.
I thought it was going to be like an infestation.
Yeah. I see, you are a Slytherin, yeah?
Yep.
How are things going in Slytherin? Pretty good. Are you like, on a scale of Slytherin, if like on one end you had like a pygmy puff, and on the other end you had like he who must not be named, where do you fall on that Slytherin scale?
Yeah, man.
In the middle. Okay, so she could go either way.
Got you. Okay, that's not bad. I can handle it, at least she's honest.
Yeah, you know, just stay out of Nocturne Alley. It's so dark down there, you know. I can't even see my hand in front of my face.
I know, I mean it. I don't have it in hand. This happens every time.
For example, in your case, I suppose.
I stopped by the sweet shop right there at Diagon Alley, and I got the pumpkin pasty.
Yeah.
Pumpkin pasty. And it is so good. It's like pumpkin pie in a pastry.
Yeah, I got an apple.
Real good.
I got a caramel apple.
And a caramel apple. wander Diagon Alley. Shall we wander? We'll have some wine. It's good. It's like Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving in a pastry.
Yep.
Ooh, good.
Please have your muggle money out and ready to exchange before you step up to the teller.
Do you take parents?
No. This is a money exchange only.
So no kids either?
We realize this might be a challenge for some, especially after some time spent at the Leaky Cauldron.
Thank you.
Protect your privacy. Visible ink. I forgot what's
Welcome to Ollivanders. Beaker is a fine one, sits 382. You see, I'm the wand keeper. Feel you there, what is your name?
Hunter.
Hunter. You're here for your wand. Stay for it, Hunter. Now, you're so far away, please say 2 steps forward. Hunter. Wait, is this your first wand? Right, Hunter, you may know every Ollivanders wand has a core of a powerful magical substance. We use unicorn hairs, phoenix tail feathers, and the herd strings. I know 2 Ollivanders wands are the same, just as no 2 unicorns. Dragons or phoenixes are quite the same. And, of course, you should never get such good results with other wizards. Wand. Yes, for you. It's a wand of hazel. Back to that cheese, flexible. Swishy. Unicorn hair car, like which is your one arm left or right? In the place. It's a little dark in the shot. If you to illuminate the tip of that wand, focus right there and say Lumos. No! Meteoritus! Recurso! You're clearly not the one for you on the next tail feather. Cool. We see that ladder over there. Oh, good. Using this wand, you got bring it closer to us. It's an easy wand. So you give it a wave and say, Accio ladder.
Accio ladder.
No. You're doing fine. The best results must always occur, but it's a strongest affinity between wizard and wand. Perhaps it's. Wait a minute. Wand. Willow, drug in here string cord. That's it. Perfect thing, but a joyful, peaceful wizard. A wand of willow.
I got chosen. I got this one. It's the willow wand. I'm pretty sure is what he said. But guess what? We have this one already.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's funny, at Ollivanders, Hunter tries not to get picked, but she gets picked every single time. I think it's kind of turned into a game for her. She loves it. It's so much fun. So now we're going to be in the wand shop probably for the next hour.
I solemnly swear that I'm up to no good. And then on the back is one of those. It's pebble art from UK. What it says is, if found, please post a pic on Facebook page. Fly mouth or I can't. Pebble art UK. Keep me or rehide.
So when you're looking at Gringotts, to the left is actually some stairs, and this is like the perfect spot to kind of sit, drink your butter beer, have your ice cream.
Chill out, bro.
Exactly what she said, just chill out. And it's a really great spot to just people watch, because look at this view. It's just people.
It's a good place to take an upscale photo.
Yeah, this is a great spot for a photo. But it's kind of a fun spot just to sit and people watch. And a fantastic spot to see the dragon.
Yes, how can I help you?
Do you know where I can get tonight?
No, miss. We have platforms 0 through 12 here. If you wanted a 9 and something, you'd have to walk full. Not recommended for the nose, I might add. Unless I don't go up there. Some people will go up there and never come back.
We're not going to make it to the Harry Potter show tonight. Go figure. It doesn't start until tomorrow. We thought it already started, so I'm not sure we're going to make it tomorrow, but keep our fingers crossed. But for today, we had so much fun at Wizarding World of Harry Potter at Diagon Alley. So now we're going to hop on the Hogwarts Express and head home, head back to the hotel. You guys get out there and follow your dreams, keep on dreaming, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Love you all. Bye!
Welcome to Sinbad Village. You're welcome. Are you lost? Did you come here to ask me a question? Hi. I just thought maybe you were seeking knowledge. I know everything. You can ask me any question in the world and I know the answer.